Today, we are surrounded by more devices than ever before. Businesses need a solution to effectively centralize and manage all their devices in the field, and Acer Being Device Management is the complete device management solution to address these issues. Acer BDM's web and cloud-based interactive dashboards make managing any number of devices a simple task. The central portal lets you quickly receive a summary of the health and connection status of all enrolled devices, view graphs of the status of your devices, view your devices on area maps, and view the distribution of your device's platforms and other key information. Acer BDM is the only tool you'll need throughout the entirety of your device's lifecycle, and it all starts from enrollment. With Acer BDM, you'll be able to quickly enroll all your devices, no matter if it's Windows, Android, or Linux. Once a device is enrolled, it can be easily assigned to specific groups within your network of operations. Once connected to the internet, these device groups will be able to install specific software, grant privileges, and be kept up to date all at the same time. After your devices are enrolled, you'll now be able to freely customize and configure your devices as you see fit. Acer BDM's configuration tools allow you to flexibly assign policies to individual or groups of devices. These policies will let you configure specific settings to devices, from basic settings such as time zones to more nuanced things like trigger alerts and when logs are uploaded. Monitoring also becomes a breeze, as Acer BDM will always keep you up to date on everything that is happening with your devices. Once a device is enrolled, you'll be able to quickly view important health statistics, receive alerts if anything goes wrong, and even reboot individual devices to fix potential problems. Further, throughout the lifecycle of your device, Acer BDM is ready to assist your business with remote support whenever you need it. Along with remote support, you'll automatically receive operational summary reports to download, analyze, and better understand your device network. Finally, when devices are ready to be replaced or retired, Acer BDM allows for deactivation and removal of all sensitive data quickly and securely. There's no need to wait. Acer BDM is ready to help you and your business streamline how you manage your devices. Get in contact with us today and learn how.